All these people that are getting coronavirus tested with the fucking shit shoved up their nose, like all the way up to the brain. If you really want to test someone for the coronavirus, you have them cough. Cough onto something that the coronavirus attaches to, like material or wood or plexiglass. Have all the fucking so-called patients cough. Then you can really get a real test to see if they have it or not. Plus, you guys, if you're not feeling good, you're coughing a lot, and you feel sick, you probably have it. It's an advanced flu. It's a flu that's evolved. It's a flu that's gotten stronger and harder to beat. It's like a flu with buddies.